Okay, so part 2 tayo boys. This is part 2 of Sapphire Fragrances. Let's go. Alright, so start natin siya kay YSLY. By the way, this is my first YSLY inspired na try ko. Kasi I'm not really a fan of YSLY. I even have the OG pero hindi talaga na ako fan. Anyways, let's do it. Wala pang amoy yung sa kanan ko. Ay, dito sa kanan. Anyways, kung nanonood kayo ng stream ko, alam nyo hindi talaga ako fan ni YSLY. I'm so sorry. Wait, what? Airset niya. Ang weird. No way. Amoy safeguard siya pre. Okay. I guess that's the green apple plus bergamot scent. Legit, amoy safeguard siya na white. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Pero if gusto mo maging amoy safeguard, then this one is nice. But seryoso, amoy safeguard siya. And hindi ganito yung amoy ng YSLY. Is this pure EDT? I'm not sure pero amoy safeguard talaga siya. That's all. Let's go next agad kay Extreme. By the way, wala akong OG na Extreme so I don't have any comparison. But I've smelled a lot of Extreme inspired. But yeah, let's just base this one based on the scent profile itself. You know what? Alam nyo? Ang bango nito. To be fair, it smells nice. It smells too greeny and citrusy and woody the same time. Opening pa lang yun And usually pala, and usually the woody scent, maaamoy mo siya during the dry down process. But this one smells citrusy, greeny, para siyang dahon. Yeah. This one smells so nice. Sadyang wala lang talaga ako masabi ng ibang comparison since wala nga akong OG, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, I think this would be a great everyday scent. I like it though. And last, but I hope not the least, Rouge 540. Actually, naamoy ko na to since ito yung una kong nabuksan nung unbox ako. Let's test it. Ay, mali. Muli na paglagyan ko par. Ooh, yes! Actually, I'm really a big fan of the saffron scent. It's a sweet floral scent. I like it. Pamabae nga lang talaga yung amoy niya para sa akin. So pag may naamoy akong baka na Rouge 540 inspired or whatsoever, amoy babae talaga siya para sa akin. Wala na ako ibang masabi. It's a sweet floral scent. I have nothing to compare, so wala lang masabi, but I really like it scent wise. It's a good scent. So yeah, final comments on this three. YSLY, amoy safeguard talaga siya. I'm so sorry. Extreme is a good fragrance, especially sa mga estudyante na naghahanap ng everyday scent for arawan. I would highly suggest this one. Rouge 540, sa mga naghahanap naman ngayon ng mga night out scents, Rouge 540 would be a good scent, especially marami naka-ultra mil ngayon, and if you wanna be unique and to stand out sa iba, Rouge 540 would be good. Kaso, please don't wear this sa arawan kasi nga, mag-aamoy Arabo kayo. Literal, lahat ng mga Arabo na legit amoy saffron. So, if you're planning to buy Rouge 540 and gagamitin nyo sa mga arawan, wag. Yan talaga yung amoy Arabo, hindi yung mga amoy na amoy Arabo yung hawas, amoy Arabo yung ito, ganyan. Dito to yun. Ito yung amoy ng mga Arabo. Anyways, ayun lang. Thank you nga pala sa Sapphire Fragrances na pagbibigay sa akin itong mga to. I hope I could test more. Bibili ako siguro next time. Meron ako silang Sauvage So, I will try the Sauvage. And I hope sana mabago yung formulation nila sa Eros since I'm not really a fan of that Eros. And nakausap ko naman sila, sabi nila babaguhin nila. Aware naman sila sa mga sinabi ko. But yeah, yun lang. Peace.